Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture, we are going to explain JavaScript Array Methods. Here, what is JavaScript Methods? Arrays, one of the most used data structure in JavaScript. They help us store multiple values in a single variable. So you see here, first method, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, we have total 16 methods. So we will discuss one by one. First about here first, this is the example here for this. Here const shopping cart. This is a shopping cart equal to inside it is laptop. Then here mouse, keyboard. Okay, you see here, this array store the item added to in online shopping cart. You know, Amazon. Here this is shopping cart. Item means here. Go to the Amazon.com. Here it is Amazon, and you see this is my shopping cart list. You know, this is shopping cart. You see, it is your first item, second item, third item, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it is just your same example that we have here: laptop, mouse, keyboards. This array store items added to an online shopping cart. So let's make comments in that and then move to the first one, array dot length. Here the length property returns the number of elements in an array. It is also used to resize or truncate an array. So this one here, this is shopping cart. Let me use this variable here. Remove the comment, add one more element here, that is the monitor. This is here, it is a monitor. Then const total items is equal to shopping cart dot length, then console dot log total items. Length properties. Here we just count how many items we have in this array. We have 4 items. Let me execute net files. CLS. Now it is 6, and you got it your output. It is 4. Got it? Already. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why you got it your output as 4. Here, this code represents the shopping cart in an e-commerce website, and the length count how many items are inside it. So that's why we have the result, that is 4th. Now next it is here, changing the array length. How you can change it, your length. This is here we have this example again. Copy this, paste it, remove your comment, and then shopping cart dot length is equal to then it is console dot log. This is console dot log inside here, that shopping cart. Good. So tell me what you got to your output. Here we have just changed its length. It is 2 now. So that's why here we got only 2 items in the array. That is the laptop and mouse. Because here we have setting dot length. It is 2. It is item from the int. This might happen if an app limit card items is here. Just length set 2. So that's why we have 2 elements, as well as you can find it. This is okay. It is very simple. Changing array length, you can update here. Array strings here. To string method convert an array into comma separated strings. So here we have the example for it. This one here, const order items, that is it is pizza, and then it is a burger, and then cold, and then it is a drink here. Then write the const it is summary, it is equal to all items dot to a string method here. Then let me write console dot log and you write it here summary. So in the output, what it here we got here pizza, burger, cold drinks. The food delivery might convert the array into a text summary to display or send via the emails. Let me check it here. This is very simple. We have already told you. Yes, just it is simple string now. Here this array. We have what simple the arrays. Let me comment it next. It is about your array at methods. So here the at method return the element at the specific index here. A specific index this here it also have negative indexing to access element from the ends. So this is here with the example about the last notifications here const notifications. Let me write here the const. It is a notification. This is here. Inside it here new message new comment, then we write a friend request, and what we have new follower. Got it? Here area at method I am going to use here. So const latest notification, it is equal to notification dot at method, it is -1. Then we go to console dot log latest notifications. So what you got it here, output you got it here new followers here. 8 -1 return the last element. This is -1 returning the last elements. This is useful in social media if where you want the latest notifications. Here you have to just comment and check it here, and you see here new follower. Got it? We have a array join methods here. The join method combine array element into a strings using custom separators. So here text in blocks. Suppose here create a variable const block text is equal to inside the strings in JavaScript, and then web development, and then programming. Okay, here you write the const tag list, it is equal to block text dot, this is here join, inside it here your custom separator pipe sign, and then here console.log and your tag list here. So block platform display tag separated by the symbols, these symbols. Let me just execute it first, and you got it here, of course. This one here, and you see this pipe sign guys here JavaScript, then web development, and then web programming. Okay, so about yours here array join method here. Even here you can use comma, then if you use comma you got it in place of this pipe symbol, you got it just comma. Got it? Then next is here array pop method remove the last element of the array and return the removed values. So here let me create example here, that the task is equal to inside array here design UI, then write code, and then fix bugs. Here we will write in the const it is equal to removed task is equal to task dot pop methods. But here no place is equal to now. So let me consider log, and that is your task, and then here console.log your remove task. Okay, So here is a simple definition of this pop method. In this pop method, remove the last element. Last element, this is last element of an array and return the removed value. Now this value we have in this variable, because here you use task.pop. It means last element here. This last element you have removed from the array, and okay, here if you remove, then it will be here and return the removed value. So we have that values here in this variable. So let me check it here. It's very simple to understand. You see here that it is removed task last element here. This is bug fix.